Well, welcome everybody. Normally I would say welcome to Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, but today we're actually in Anaheim and we're at the Disneyland Park. Let's go in and see what it's like. Got a first timer here, he's right there, and it's only my second time here, and it's a rainy day, so it should be interesting. Let's go have some fun in the park. Wow, it's like really cute, and I don't know, I love it. It's small, pretty, wet, but there's only one thing I can't figure out. Let's see, where's the castle? What did you say?
Where's the castle?
I don't know, I can't find it. I can't find it. So one of the cool things about being at Disneyland is the history of Disneyland. I know it opened in '55, but you have examples of things like this wall. Let me tell you about it. When Walt Disney was building the park, they didn't know which type of brick they wanted to use in the park. So this wall was a sample wall where Walt stood right here and tried to decide whether he wanted the straight bricks or the wavy bricks. So this is a sample wall that's been here since 1955. We've stepped in out of the rain and we're inside the Penny Arcade on Main Street, USA here at Disneyland. Really cool thing is this piece of equipment, and you're like, what the heck is that? It's like a one-man automated band, and Walt Disney bought this in 1937, and this is one of the oldest things in this entire park, and it plays music still. There's even a little sign here that tells you when the next performance is, so we've got 3 more minutes, and then I'll show you what this sounds like. Oh, we made it over here to Adventureland. We're over by the Indiana Jones attraction. There's something really cool over here. Let's check it out. Wow, check it out. There's a little tiny house in here. This is the home of the little leprechaun that wouldn't sell his house. And they built Disneyland all the way around his little tiny home. Isn't that adorable? Look at that. Oh yeah, we're about to go on Pirates of the Caribbean with a 5-minute wait. Let's do it.
But keep a weather eye over things and hold on tight.
A hen for a 10.
I'll give you 20 for the wrong.
If you be sport, as a still see man. Out from here. Easy boy.
Yo ho, a forest life for me.
So your first ride at Disneyland, what'd you think? Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's better than the one in Orlando.
Better than the one in Orlando. There you go. Holy cow, we found it. There it is. And now we're in Toontown and we're going to check out Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Three-hour presentation of Perfect Picnic.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend a day in the countryside. Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. Could have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you lady. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Well, there's paperwork and liabilities, but I guess...
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
And now we're back. And that's the end. You know, Walt Disney loved trains.
Off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
Bitte bleiben Sie im Boot sitzen, bis es zu einem vollständigen Halt kommt.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash. That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs.
I got a sneak peek from Imagineering. These are the actual models from the ride, Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Just kidding. You see these lights? They go all around, red, white, red, white, red, white, all the way around in a circle. Well, to keep the continuity, they had to paint that one red, white. Look at that. So all you people online said, I gotta get this poison apple freeze. So it's $6 and something. It's a couple of colors, and it's supposed to be good. Ooh. Ooh, it's tart and sweet. Poison apple something freeze. In front of the castle to the left. Also, we've got the world famous cheesy garlic pretzel bread. Let me show you this. Oh my, this should be good. Cheesy garlic pretzel bread. Oh yeah. $7.49, but worth it. What you got there?
Turkey leg.
Holy crap. That's a big smoked turkey leg.
Love it.
How much is that?
$13.
$13.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you to Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln. We pay tribute here not to a man who lived a century ago, but to an individual who lives today in the hearts of all freedom-loving people. His prophetic words are as valid for our time as they were for his. And now, the skills of the sculptor and the talents of the artist will let us relive Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln.
The world has never had a good definition of the word liberty. Dare to do our duty as we understand it.
Oh my gosh, I love you too, man. Thank you.
All